Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how to fix CapCut access restricted. So if you are being able to launch or open your CapCut application, launch it, then tap on the U button. Here select Help Center. And all you have to do is tap on Submit Question, tap Give Feedback. Now in here, you may go ahead and type in the exact problem that you're having. In case you're not being able to, let's say, launch CapCut, what you could do instead is head over to your Play Store and then search for CapCut. First of all, make sure that your application CapCut is updated. So if you see update, tap on update and update your app. Next thing you could try is simply clearing the cache. So long tap onto your CapCut, tap on the I button, scroll below, tap on storage, and then clear cache. Now, I would highly recommend you to clear the data as well, but it is not guaranteed that all the drafts from your CapCut will be saved. So make sure that all the draft is carried to maybe your next account, or maybe it is saved in your gallery, and simply select clear data. As you clear the data, you will be required to relog into your CapCut account. And if you're having problems still, you can maybe use a different device. You can ask for your friend's device and then simply launch CapCut, get logged into your account, and see if the access is restricted in that. The last option you could try is long tapping onto CapCut, then uninstalling it. Reinstall again from your Play Store, and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.